Hello, my name is Jeff Bake. I'm with the Intel Thunderbolt team, and what I'm doing today is showing you the new Kensington dock. What I did is went up to the kensington.com/ProConcierge website, ordered the dock, and this is what I got. So let's open this up and just see what we have inside. First thing I see is a welcome letter welcoming me to the Kensington ProConcierge Program. So this is from Matt Sumner, the dock guy, and basically he's telling me, look at the dock, check it out, tell us what you like, tell us what you don't like, basically give us feedback. We've got all of Matt's contact information, and so let's do that. Let's take a look and see what it is. All right, so next thing we've got a wiring diagram. So that's kind of nice. Make sure that we're doing the right thing, and a little helpful cheat sheet if we need it. All right, let's just dig right into the box. So this is the SD5350T, so the Thunderbolt 3 dock. Open it up and see what we've got. So nice, sleek dock, nice color. So it looks like it's got plenty of ports. Let's take a look at the ports here and see what they are. So the first thing, we've got 3 USB 3 ports. And we've got looks like a gig LAN port, 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, an HDMI port, and a power port on the back side. On the front side here, we've got some more USB, which is always helpful, connecting your keyboards and mice and headsets and any of the little dongles that you need to connect. We've also got an audio, so for my headset. An SD, so that's nice, little SD card reader. I don't have to go buy a separate SD card dongle or adapter. It's got right there. Oh, and then I've got some little power indicators, so some lights. This might seem like a simple thing, but it's nice to know, is the dock even on? Is it powered? If I run into issues, at least I know that the light's on, so I can start somewhere else. So again, something little, but it makes a difference when you're troubleshooting. So on this side, I notice also we've got some Kensington lock, little locks there that I can plug my lock into, keep that dock nice and secure. This thing's not going to walk off on me, which is always nice and helpful in a business environment. So nice sturdy dock. I notice that doesn't move across the table. Reason for that, I've got nice little rubber feet there, keeps the dock solid on the table. And oh, look here. So I've also, you can zoom in on that. We've got some nice little screw hole mounts there. So if I don't want the dock on the table, let's say that I want to put a bracket on there and mount it somewhere else out of the way, I have that option. So again, I like options. I like being able to maybe do things that that I want to do, and it's good to be able to choose. So I like that. All right, what else do we have in the docking box? So looks like I've got my registration. I've got, looks like a Thunderbolt 3 cable. Let's open that up and see. And sure enough it is. So the reason I can tell is it's got the Thunderbolt icon, and I've got the little 3 on the cable. That means it's Thunderbolt 3 speeds, which is 40 gigabits per second. So it means that this cable is going to be full performance, so I can do things like 2 4K displays. And I'm going to want full performance if I do that. So that I can have the bandwidth to support those high resolution displays. Let's see, the next thing in the box here is a Usbc to HDMI adapter. So it says Usbc HDMI 4K. So you might say, why do I need a little adapter for HDMI? I've already got an HDMI connector on my dock. But remember, with this Thunderbolt 3 dock, you can support 2 4K HDMI displays. And so one would go into the HDMI connector itself, and your second display would go into the Thunderbolt 3, because Thunderbolt is data, display, power, so I can support my second HDMI. I plug my adapter in, and now I've got 2 4K HDMI displays running. So kind of a nice feature. If I want that option, I've got it. And again, I don't have to go out and purchase something. It comes right in the box. And next thing in the box are my 2 HDMI cables. So again, a nice touch. I don't have to go home, try to set it up, realize I don't have my HDMI cables. So Kensington has provided for that. Got my 2 cables so I can run my 2 displays. Hey, finally in the box, I've also got, that's kind of cool, a couple of little Blue Boon coffee packs. Well, that's kind of a cool touch. You know, a little thank you from Kensington. So I've got 2 cups of coffee. I can have a little pick-me-up. So again, kind of a cool little thank you from Kensington. All right, well, I think let's plug this dock in and just see what it'll do. So that looks like that's what the box contains.